What if we could solve the biggest mysteries in science, not in a lifetime, but in just a matter of months? Today, we're going to look at how a powerful new AI is becoming an incredible partner for scientists, helping them unlock the secrets of the universe. I mean, just imagine it. Unlocking the secrets of black holes, or finding cures for diseases, not in decades, but in just a few years. What if the key to all this wasn't just some new machine, but a new kind of mind?
Well, that future might be a lot closer than you think. Right now, scientists are starting to work with a totally new kind of partner, a powerful artificial intelligence that's capable of tackling problems that we once thought were pretty much impossible. So, how do we know all this? Well, we're diving into a fascinating new research paper that details some of the very first experiments with a brand new AI model. And honestly, the results are just incredible. We're going to explore 3 amazing roles this AI is already playing. Think of it as a super student, a perfect librarian, and a creative partner. Each one is already pushing the boundaries of what we know. All right, first up, let's talk about something huge, literally, black holes. This is where we see the AI in its first role, as a kind of super student, one that can learn to solve problems that stump even the top physicists.
So, a physicist basically threw the AI into the deep end. He gave it a really difficult problem about how black holes work. We're talking incredibly complex math here. So, how did the AI do on its first try? It failed. The AI just couldn't solve the hard problem. So, the scientists tried something clever. They gave it a simpler version, kind of like a warm-up exercise. And with that, boom, the AI totally nailed it. The physicist Alex Lupsowska said it seemed like the AI really needed this warm-up. Solving the easier problem kind of woke up the right parts of its brain, getting it ready for the much bigger challenge. So after the warm-up, they gave the AI the original, super hard problem again. And this time, it solved it perfectly. It found the exact same solution that a human physicist had spent months working on. The AI had actually learned.
Okay, so that's the AI as a student. Now let's look at its second role, the super librarian. Imagine a librarian that has read everything ever published and can remember every single detail. That's what we're talking about.
You know, mathematicians have lists of famous unsolved problems. Well, using this AI, researchers found something mind-blowing. At least 10 of these unsolved problems were actually already solved. The answers were just lost, buried in a sea of old scientific papers. The AI could do what no human ever could. It scanned millions of pages of complex math, not just looking for keywords, but actually understanding the concepts. It found these old proofs, connecting a question from today to an answer from decades ago. And this really shows you how hard this is for us. One of these solutions was hidden in just a brief little comment in a paper from 1961. It was right there, in plain sight, but no one had spotted it for over 60 years. But, and this is a really important but, the AI isn't perfect. In one case, it presented a proof without realizing it was just rediscovering an old one. It's a great reminder that we absolutely need human experts to check the AI's work. Okay, this brings us to the AI's third role, and maybe the most exciting one of all, the creative partner. This isn't just about finding old answers, it's about brainstorming brand new ideas for the future. A top mathematician, Timothy Gowers, described it perfectly. He said, working with the AI is like having a human collaborator who can respond instantly. You can just bounce ideas back and forth at an incredible speed. So let's talk about one of humanity's biggest goals, creating clean energy through nuclear fusion, the same power that fuels our sun. Scientists are using this AI to help them figure out a key part of the puzzle. They needed to find the perfect sweet spot, the exact conditions to get a fusion reaction to start and keep going. The AI helped them analyze all the data, and this chart shows the answer. That yellow ridge is the sweet spot they were looking for. So what does that sweet spot really mean? Let's break it down. If the conditions are too gentle, the reaction just fizzles out. If they're too intense, the reaction won't even get started. But when you hit that perfect profile they found with the AI's help, that's when you get success, a powerful, self-sustaining reaction. You know, these examples are really just the beginning. So what does this new partnership between humans and AI actually mean for the future of science? Let's just quickly recap what we've seen.
We have an AI that's acting like a super student, learning complex physics. It's a super librarian, digging up knowledge we've lost long ago. And it's a creative partner, helping us design solutions for the future, like fusion energy.
And it's so important to get this straight. This is not about AI replacing scientists, not at all. It's about collaboration. It's about empowering our smartest people with an amazing new tool, one that's guided by their expertise.
And what's the point of all this? It's about speed. It's about accelerating the pace of discovery so we can solve humanity's biggest challenges, from clean energy to medicine to understanding our universe, faster than we ever dreamed possible.
So it leaves you with this really exciting thought. As this partnership between humans and AI gets stronger, the question isn't if we'll solve the next impossible problem, but which one we're going to solve first. Thanks for tuning in.